Welcome to CISO Platform. CISO Platform is the world's first online community solely dedicated for information senior security executives, CISO, CIO, CSO, CTO directors, with 40,000 plus community members globally. Today's panel discussion is on India Privacy Act and what it means for CISOs. And speakers joining us today are Advocate Dr. Pavan Duggal, Supreme Court of India. While practicing advocate, Supreme Court of India, Dr. Pavan Duggal has made an immense impact with an international reputation as an expert and authority on cyber law, cybersecurity law, cyber law, artificial intelligence law, and e-commerce law. Dr. Duggal has been acknowledged as one of the top 4 cyber lawyers around the world. World Domain Day recognizes him as one of the top 10 cyber lawyers around the world. Advocate Dr. Prashant Mali, cyber law and data protection lawyer, Bombay High Court. Dr. Prashant is India's top cyber and privacy lawyer with many landmark cases to his credit. He has been awarded as Best Cyber Privacy Lawyer 2022 at Newsmaker Awards, Best Cybersecurity Lawyer in 2017, and with National Cyber Defense Award in 2019. Advocate Puneet, Bhasin, cyber and data protection laws expert, founder, Cyberjure Legal Consulting and Cyberjure Academy. Advocate Puneet is a pioneer in cyber laws in India and has been awarded the Best Cyber Lawyer in India. She is an advisor to the Rajya Sabha Committee on Internet Laws and recipient of 5 national awards for contribution in cyber laws. One of them being Best Cyber Lawyer in India. Bikash Barai, co-founder of CISO platform Firecompass and co-founder of IBIS, which is now acquired by Synopsys. He is an IIT Kharagpur alumni with multiple patents under his name. Fortune magazine named him as part of Fortune 40 under 40. He's a well-known global speaker who spoke at RSA Conference USA, Singapore, TEDx, etc. This panel will be moderated by Bikash Barai. We request all attending members to please post your questions in the chat box and we'll address those questions to the speaker at the end of the session. Thank you everyone for joining us today. I would request Bikash to take it forward.
Thank real cases out there. So we'd like to also know some of those real cases out there. So that's number one, the highlights of the act and some of the real cases. Then we'll also discuss a little bit on how does it impact the industry, the startup ecosystem. Then we'll kind of end with what are some of the milestones which we as an organization should define in order to get prepared for it. So we know that there is a journey ahead, but what are those milestones if we have to move forward on that journey, and some of the top risks and how do we manage from the Privacy Act perspective. So these are broadly some of the things which we discussed, we'll touch upon today. And we'll also keep some time towards the end for question and answers. So we kept the number of questions less so that we can keep more time for the our community members to also participate and ask. So that's the broad lay of the land in terms of today's discussion. So let me jump into. So let's start with the first question. Like, what are some of the key highlights which you have seen in terms of the Privacy Act, and also any of the cases which you have observed or